Hey YouTube, hello, welcome back to Jadu's World. So today we have a really expensive thing. This is a ROG laptop. As you can see, like this logo is very famous for gamers. And yeah, basically this is the gaming laptop we bought and it is from Asus ROG series. And yeah, so proceeding further, let me tell you, actually this is also not my purchase. As you know, you remember this watch, it is one of my friend's Guru's, and even he has purchased this laptop, which is a good thing. He can use this laptop as a gaming or a kind of really heavy work, because gaming laptops are actually basically known as really special laptops for gamers. But again, you can do a really huge amount of work, or you can put huge loads on this particular laptops. Yeah, this is a gaming laptop in a series, and also if you can see, this has already been opened because we have checked it at the store. We bought it at the store, it is not an online purchase. Okay, this cost around 1,15,000 at the store, but then again the prices may vary, you know, on like kind of deals or any offers going on. You may check online as well. I'll provide you the links in the description. And basically this is the price. We have bought this laptop from Hyderabad, and here actually this is from Secunderabad CDC center, the computer CDC center. So I bought this laptop from there. And oh man, the box is heavy, laptop is not. You can see the seal is already open, but then again let me give you the configuration. This is how the box looks from front. And if you are looking at this side, it gives some information to you, but then again that's not necessary for you. I don't think that is actually required. On the right, on this side as well, it just says Intel, not more anything else. But here it says ROG Strix, if you can see, and we have a proper handle here to grab this laptop. And yeah, there's a good thing again, and here we have the logo as well. So now looking at back of the laptop, if you can see, here it gives some information that this is a flammable and everything. But here it shows, if you can see the price range, if we can get some zoom on it, price. Here if you see the price, it says 1,41,990, but then again we bought it around 1,15,000. It is never 1,41,000. Obviously it's a i7 processor, not i9 one, so we will not be going for 1,40,000 or 40-ish thousand. So let us proceed further with it. So let me give you the basic configuration on this particular laptop. It has a 15.6 inches screen. It comes with a Core i7, Intel Core i7 processor, 10th generation one, and it has a 16 GB of RAM. It comes with 4 GB of graphics card, and also it has a 144 Hz refresh rate, and it comes with a 1 TB SSD, which makes your laptop really fast, or any computer if you're using. So now let's proceed to open it. If you can see, the unboxing is really great on this, guys. Yeah, just look at this. The mechanism over here is really good. If you see, like the laptop, basically if you're opening only like till this length, it is not high enough. Now it raises up. So this is a really good thing. And you see here it says the ROG logo, and it says Republic of Gamers. I guess it gives some kind of information. It says Republic of Gamers join. Okay, so some information I can't see because the box is really huge. Any other ways? So this is the laptop, and it has this pink shade on it. I guess you might also get with some other colors as well, but here as of now it has a pink shade. I have also seen the laptops with shiny steel logos, but I don't think if you get the same thing in this model or not. So we'll go to the laptop in a bit of time. There's not too heavy, it is around like 2 kgs, not more than that. So we'll go through it after a bit of time, and let's see what are the box contents. So as of now, this is the ROG logo here, and in this, what we get in this? Okay, it's a bit difficult for me to open now. Just a minute, guys, I just turn it over. Yeah, this is nice for me. So yeah, looking up to here, we have some paperwork. I don't know why they provide the paperwork each and every single time. We never ever go through it. So it just gives how exactly the laptop looks and things. I don't think you would like to go through it. And yeah, it's a huge user manual and all. You will also be getting a warranty card, I guess, there's something here. Anyways, the warranty will be anyhow on your invoice, not on this. And again, the logo is really cool. So let us put this inside back. Yeah, the logo is really cool on this. So and opening this, there's nothing, it's just the mechanism which we see just now, so nothing inside. Over here, let's put this aside. Now looking at this end, the unboxing thing is really good, man, actually. Okay, so looking up at this side, you see that there is a small box. Actually, yeah, we have already opened it, so nothing to hide. Either ways, we have packed it just like that. Anyways, it says Republic of Gamers here. It gives some information. Basically, let me tell you, this is a mouse. It has a perfect black and it's a really great color. Like if you are the person who likes black. Yeah, and it clearly says it is not for sale. It comes in the box. It is actually a ROG mouse. It comes in a good bubble wrap and also with some user manual. Again, boring stuff. So let's put this aside. Yeah, oops. And yeah, if you see here, well, you can see that we have very well packed it again. We have managed to do it. But then again, yeah, it comes with that golden shade USB cable. It's a normal USB cable. It has that strap over here to manage your wires very well, so that what kind of length you need, you can just put it on. I'll just remove this. I don't need any kind of length over there. And it has a good mouse on it. The mouse is really great. It has a nice finish of trackpad. I don't know why they have given this in pink color. They might have given in some other color. It feels like kind of a cheeky color. Still it is a really good mouse again. Well, Guru is laughing behind the camera. Sorry for that. So yeah, here we have some buttons here, OPI buttons. I have not used this mouse again, but till now I don't know what exactly it is. It has a button over here. The grip pads are really good. The grip pads are like, there are kind of 6 grip pads on it, which is a great thing. And again, looking at the mouse, I think OPI buttons will be used for mouse pointer. I don't know why. So, well, I need to check on it. And again, it has some basic clicky buttons over here, so that you can set to your mouse, to your games, what exactly you're going to play on it. Normal, typical, right and left buttons and nothing else. The scroll is also a clicky one, so that you'll be having a perfect, kind of mouse match on it. It is kind of, it's not perfectly gaming mouse, but then again, it is a kind of gaming and official mouse, you can say, because gaming mouse are really different. I've seen one of the Logitech mouses, I guess, which has a proper weight management system and everything. That's a really great purchase, but then again, it costs around 5,000 rupees, which is kind of expensive. But then again, let's keep this mouse aside. And talking about this end, this has a power brick over here. I'm sorry for the packaging again, we have not done a great job on it. So this is the mouse, this is a power adapter. This is a external cord which you put on it, and yeah, this brick is it has a really shiny logo here, and it has a barrel connector. This is not type C. Again, spending 1 lakh, still we didn't get type C. So yeah, ROG, if you're listening, please change these things again. Yeah, so it has a barrel connector, and if you see here, it has a 150 watts power charging cable, which is a great thing. And yeah, it's 150 watts at it's 20 volts equals to 7.5 amp. If you can just go through the reading over there, you can see what exactly it comes in. So this is the AC adapter. It has a good power cord here, so you can just keep it. It is kind of manageable length, guys. It's not too long or too short. Basically, you will be getting the same length over here. This goes inside here, and this is what you put it on power. So this is actually the laptop, the wire cable and everything stuff. But the most interesting thing in it is actually you get a mouse pad, which is really big. I don't know why exactly it's a mouse pad. It's a mouse gaming mouse pad or something, but then again, it is really great. So let us move this box aside. Sweet box again, going back. So yeah, the gaming mouse pad, or the gaming pad, whatever it is called, it's of really big size. I don't know if this fits on this table or not, but then again, it is really good one. So just look at this. Finally, it is fitting on this table. Still, the table is wiggly. I'm sorry for that. But then again, it has a nice pink and black, kind of pink and blackish, what do you call, finish over here. The finish, it looks really great, and there's not a slippery one. That's a really nice thing. We can use the mouse in a really good way. If you can see, I'll just put it over here. So yeah, the mouse movements are really good. It again gives the logo, says Republic of Gamers, which is a nice thing again. Now moving on to the actual device, it is a laptop. So yeah, as you can see, this is how exactly it looks. So let me remove the cover first. Okay, Yeah, so this is the laptop. As I have said, we have already opened it, so it is just to show you what exactly we get in the box. So this is the laptop again, and you can see how exactly the logo looks. I don't know why this is a pink color one again. I'm just getting laugh over here. I don't know why Guru is gonna use pink color. Either ways, chalo, nice. Guru has a good taste of color, I say. And yeah, opening up this laptop over here, you can see, okay, just let me remove this. We have really well packed, guys. And yeah, so this is how the laptop looks. It has a great kind of, if you see, these colors are these keys are again in pink. These are actually called gaming keys. The keyboard is really good, and if you see over the screen, it has a 15.6 inches to be precise. The particular screen over here, it has a 144 hertz refresh rate on it, which is great. And if you see here, it says Intel Core i7 10th generation processor. It has a NVIDIA graphics card, the 4GB NVIDIA graphics card on it. It is 1660 Ti configuration, and it has the latest Wi-Fi 6 version on it. So connectivity should not be an issue over the Wi-Fi. And if you see that it actually looks black, but then again it is not black. It has slight pinkish color on it as well, and the trackpad is also really nice. And now proceeding further to the I have already mentioned the specs anyways, but let's turn this machine on. So yeah, it actually turns on really quick, guys. If you see, like, if you're counting on the seconds, it has a really nice sound again. It says ROG Strix, but then again, just see. I said that's not mine, it's Guru's. So yeah, it will be taking just seconds to open. It is already on, if you can see, because the 1 TB SSD in it. That laptop is really fast, guys, again. So it blinked a bit, I don't know why, but then again the touch and everything is really smooth. If you can see, you can also increase the lighting over here, the keyboard lighting. You can see, you can just decrease it from here, you can increase it from here. You can change the patterns. If you can see, like, these patterns are really nice. And the best thing about it is, for some reason they have given this light over here, which is actually cool. And let us change some other patterns. Like, it has RGB lighting. Obviously it's a gaming laptop, so we will be having RGB lighting over here. But then again, these lightings are crazy, man. Just look at it. Like, it has a really nice base, but then again, we have spent 1 lakh, so obviously we are gonna get this stuff. And the build is actually plastic, it's not a metal build. But then again, like, if you see, these keys are functioning really good, but then again, these are really dark keys, so the lighting effects are not showing up on these 3 keys. But the trackpad is really smooth. It's not a glass trackpad, it's a plastic one, but then again, the keypad is really smooth. There's 2 buttons over here, right and left click. The trackpad is really smooth. That should not be an issue. And it has that new Windows Precision drivers. If you like scroll up with 3 fingers, you will be getting all the recent tabs. You can just if you see, I'll just open up from here, and you see, like, you can just scroll with two of your fingers. You can scroll down, back, and yeah, it comes with all the drivers and everything. So this is a laptop. But then again, we were really laughing at one thing. We have spent 1 lakh, but the webcam is missing from it, guys. So you need to buy a webcam. You will not get a webcam with it. And yeah, if you see here, it shows Strix over here. It is actually the brand. They're calling it as a Strix version. So it's a really nice thing. Again, this laptop opens here with a hinge. So this doesn't go up. It just, like, it has a hinge over here. You can see that it just opens up from this side. So this should not go in. And as soon as it opens up, this is already activated. So this should not be a problem. Again, just pressing a space and the screen is on. Now you have some dedicated buttons over here. One is volume rocker, like, these are the volume rockers. One is volume up and volume down. There's a mute one. This having a fan speeds over here. So silent mode is a good one. Again, the screen will be brighter, but on this one, I don't know why, performance mode, the screen is going a bit dim. So that might be a light problem again. Might be they are trying to consume some battery. And over here, you will be able to open up all your fan speeds and control everything, performance, CPU and things over here. So you can just play with this machine a bit, and you will be getting to know what exactly are the things you need to update, and you can do it in your own way. So you get basic kind of ROG kind of wallpaper here, like display settings and everything. The things are really good. But then again, let me show you what exactly wallpaper you get when you receive this laptop. So this is a theme over here. There's a ROG theme you get on it. So this is how exactly it looks. So this is the first view. We have also installed a game. Basically it's a gaming laptop. So yeah, we have done installation of the games. If you can see here, we have the auto collection and PUBG Mobile. Obviously for sure we are PUBG fans, and Rockstar Games. This is a GTA 5 basically. And we have also Grand Theft Auto here. And yeah, opening up from here, you have all these toggles. You will be receiving all your messages, notifications and stuff. I think I have clicked it with 3 fingers. Just a minute. Yeah. So yeah, you can see all your messages and everything. You can see over here. It has Wi-Fi 6, so the connectivity should not be a problem again. And yeah, that is pretty much, guys. I'll just put all the information over here. And yeah, if you see, look at the vents. So let me show you the vents actually. So if you look at the vents, here we have lots and lots of actually airflow here. So here, from here actually the cool air comes in. It has 2 fans. One is here, the other is here. I'll just show you up what exactly you get in it. These are the vents for intake, and these are the vents for outtake of the air. From here you get hot air out. So these are the things, and here we actually don't have the vents. We basically should have, but for sure I don't know why they have not given any vents over here. And this side we don't have any vents. Now looking at the portability and stuff, what exactly we are getting with this, like how exactly we can connect this laptop. You have 3 USB ports over here and 1 microphone port, and this side for some reason we don't get anything. But then again, they have given all the like L stuff here. So here it is a barrel connector, which is one of the kind of fast charging. It's not actually fast, but then again it's kind of fast charging. USB Type-C port, HDMI port, and your Ethernet port. So these are the ports which you will be getting. But then again, the laptop looks really great. And if you are opening this laptop up, you can see you have some of the indicators. These are these are the cap lock indicators and num locks and everything. So those are the indicators, and also you get the battery charging indicator also here itself. You don't get it out. And the keys are really great. They are the gaming keys. They are especially ROG keys. If you see, look at the design, how exactly they are designed. And also guys, this is not a full size keyboard. It is a basic laptop keyboard which you get. So this is not a full size. That's again a drop down, if I say. And yeah, so this is a really nice design. It's a plastic, not exactly plastic, but then again I think this is a kind of fiber built, which is nice. It has a bit of flex on the screen. If you see the flex, it has a big flex, which is a good one. But then again, this is hard plastic, guys, so that should not be a problem. And let us see one hand test if it passes. Yeah, it does, but then again, if you're lifting the laptop too quickly, then it will lift up the bottom thing as well. So that's it all about the laptop, guys. I'll also provide all the links and description in the description where you can buy. But again, basically we bought it for 1,15,000, so the price might vary. If you are lucky, you may also get it just for 1 lakh. Just kidding, I don't know if that's possible. Either ways, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we are wrapping it up from here. Do share the video, like, subscribe, and comment on the comment section if you want to know anything about it. The review as well, we'll look into it. If it's possible, for surely I'll be giving a review on this. And yeah, so you can drop down like things in the comment if you want any other updates on this. But basically I'll be providing you all the links and everything from where you can buy. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Like, share and subscribe, and do hit the subscribe button if you have not. Hit the bell icon so that you will be getting all our new updates. And that's it for today. Thank you so much. This is Jadhav signing out.